This is the half square triangle scrap quilt sew along, and I wanted to give you some more information about borders. If you wanted to put your borders on the quilt. Right now, this is the edge of the quilt, and it's just the ending of the sashing and the cornerstones. So if you want to put a border on your quilt, I have the instructions. They're going to be in the description below this video, and they're also, if you're on the Facebook group, Quilt Makers Workshop, it's in the file section. You can download it. There are various different borders you can put on, but I just wanted to explain, before you put on the borders, you'll have to add another 1-inch cut border or sashing, whatever you call it, all the way around the quilt. And what I did, I had some leftovers, and as I was cutting, or from cutting, I always cut too many, I just pieced them together end to end and measured off what I needed and put it on all 4 sides. And I always put the sides on first. This is the side of the quilt. This is the top. I always put the sides on first and then the top and bottom last. This addition will be a 1/2 inch finished on either edge. We'll make the blocks, the 3-inch finished blocks, come out evenly. And the first thing you'll do when you're putting your border on is you're going to put 26 of your half square triangles along the sides. So I already started mine. I'm going to do the herringbone. So this is the herringbone, and the little things are going to be pointing this way. So it will be going like this on the quilt. And this will add 12 inches to the quilt length and width, because 6 inches here and 6 inches on the other side. There's always an option too, if you just want to put one border, it would be something like this, or there's several different options to choose to just put one border on like this. But what you can do is piece the border. If you're going to do 1, 2, 3, you can piece it. Just make sure you have 26 triangles down the side. And so here's mine already pieced and pressed. And then you'll do the same thing for the top, and I can't remember now what the top is, how many it is on the top across, but it's in the instructions, so it will go across like this. The other thing I wanted to point out is, if you're doing a pattern that requires an even number, like say you're doing points with 2 of the blocks, it won't come out across the top. It's an odd number across the top and the bottom. So what I do in that case is I just extend this border. So if I have a border on here and then I'm putting the top and bottom on, I extend the border like this. So if this design is going in this direction, then here I'll have it going in this direction, and then the other side will be going up in this direction. So I hope that's clear to you, and we'll do more about this the closer we get toward the end, but you can start piecing your borders if you decide you want to do that now. Thank you. We'll see you next time.